Alright, here's one side of the building. You can see the shingles got ripped off. This is the windows blown out. Bricks down there on the road. And this is the front of the building. Wait till you see the other side, guys. Hold on, I'm going. Takes a little while. Window blown out. Some bricks, and look at this. There's the roof. All gone. The whole freaking roof is gone. The side of the building's gone. Try to get a better view. Some shit back here going on. Oh man. Car crushed.
You see cars. See this one?
There's a car somewhere in here. It was just. Oh, there it is. Oh!
I didn't even see this thing walking.
I know, we didn't even see it walking by and the dirt blended it in. Huh? That's my car! That's yours? Really? Damn. Huh? 10 more? Got fucked up? Holy crap, man, this was crazy. The people in California, the people I work for, thinks this was a little tornado. They're like, what do you mean all this damage? I gotta show them. They don't, I don't see why they can't understand. They see it on the news. Look at that lamppost. There's a lamppost. It's right on the sidewalk. Came up off there. Car's destroyed in this parking lot. And there's a car hiding in the bush. You can see it's right in the tree. And there it is. All you can see is the front of it from here.